Okay, so now back at it again. I'm just going to freshen up this grout. Sometimes that'll haze, or the mortar, that'll haze over. And you don't want it to haze over, so I'm just going to run the trowel over it again, just to make sure that it's sticky. Sticks to my finger. That's my test. Stick to my finger. If it sticks to my finger, then it's still good to apply tile. If it doesn't stick to my finger, I shouldn't be applying tile. I should be applying mortar. Take off the old mortar and do it again. So, here we go. Back at it again. Now I'm using a cardboard box here. On the edge of it is a spacer for my tile, so it doesn't drop down. So, and there. Now, get that stuck on the wall, so now I'm just going to use my grout float and make sure everything's set in here right. Grout float's going to keep this tile nice and flat all the way through this border. So the biggest problem with these tiles is trying to keep that grout line all the same. So very, very, very hard to stretch it wherever you need to stretch it. Now each one of these tiles have a little protective layer to keep the stone from, oh yeah, nice. Here's the other problem with these small tiles. I just dropped two of them off that tile grid. So, what I'm going to do there is, I'm going to put the tile this way. Let's see. One tile. One row too many. I'll just cut that one row off. It gets rid of one of the tiles that fell off. And we'll apply this tile back on. I'm just going to make sure that we have a spacer there, which is the cardboard. And you can work these a little bit. So it gets a little tight in the corner. You could work that root line over just a bit if your mortar's still wet, just to make sure that you get what you want out of it. And all you have to do is push the tile and spread. Push the tile and pull one way or the other. So there. So that's all those on the back wall. Now, I'll let them set. we'll move on to the next row. So it's going to be a little bit of work around the mortar here. So that's basically what that's going to look like. So